Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start.
Emma, we are here.
Finally, I am so excited.
Look at that big sign.
Welcome to Green Valley Wildlife Sanctuary.
It is a beautiful place.
The trees are so green here.
And the sky is very clear today.
It is a perfect day to see animals.
I have my camera ready.
Good. We can take many photos.
What animal do you want to see first?
I want to see the elephants.
Good morning. Welcome to the sanctuary.
Good morning. We are very happy to be here.
My name is Sam. I am your guide today.
Hello, Sam. I am Mark. This is Emma.
Nice to meet you both.
Can we see many animals today?
Yes, we have more than 30 different animals here.
That is wonderful.
Here is a map of the sanctuary.
Thank you. It is very helpful.
Please stay on the path at all times.
Of course, we will be careful.
Mark, look. Over there.
Wow, that is a giraffe.
It is so tall.
It is the tallest animal in the world.
Look at its long neck.
It uses its neck to reach the leaves.
The leaves are very high up.
Yes, and the giraffe can easily reach them.
Its spots are beautiful.
Brown and orange, very pretty.
The giraffe lives in open grasslands.
Its home is called the savannah. Sam, what is that sound?
That is the sound of elephants.
I can see them. They are in the water.
They are so big and heavy.
Yes, elephants are the largest land animals.
Look at that one. It is spraying water.
It uses its trunk like a hose.
That is right. The trunk is very useful.
And the other one is rolling in the mud.
The mud keeps their skin cool.
So the water is their home?
Elephants love rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Now, please be very quiet.
Why? What is over there?
There are 2 lions resting under that tree.
Oh, I can see them.
They look very relaxed.
Lions sleep for many hours every day.
Really? How many hours?
Up to 20 hours sometimes.
That is a lot of sleeping.
The male lion has a big dark mane.
Yes, the mane makes him look strong.
The lion lives in the grasslands, right?
Yes, the lion's home is the open savanna.
Emma, look at those animals.
They have black and white stripes.
Those are zebras.
They are beautiful, like little horses.
Yes, zebras are in the same family as horses.
Do the stripes have a purpose?
Yes, the stripes help them hide from danger.
How does that work?
When they stand together, it confuses predators.
That is very clever.
They are eating the grass quietly.
Zebras live in grasslands and open plains.
Oh, do you hear that noise?
Yes. What is making that sound?
Look up into the trees.
Monkeys. There are so many.
They are jumping from branch to branch.
They are so fast and playful.
Monkeys are very intelligent animals.
Look at that small one. It has a fruit.
It is looking right at me.
Do not feed them, Emma.
That is right. Please don't give them food.
I understand. They live in the forest, yes?
Yes, they live in forest.
Sam, what is that pink color?
Those are flamingos.
They are bright pink. So pretty.
Why are they pink?
They eat small pink plants in the water.
The food makes their feathers pink.
Yes, that is correct.
Look, they are standing on one leg.
How do they do that so easily?
It helps them stay warm and save energy.
They are standing in the water.
Flamingos live near lakes and shallow wetlands. Now, please stay behind the fence.
Of course, are those crocodiles?
Yes, they are very large ones.
They are not moving at all.
Crocodiles are very still when they rest.
But they can move very fast, right?
Yes, very fast, especially in the water.
Their skin looks like rough stone.
That skin protects them like armor.
Where do crocodiles live?
They live in rivers, swamps, and wetlands.
I am glad we are behind this fence. This place is so colorful.
Look at all those beautiful birds.
They are parrots.
Yes, we have many different species here.
That one is red and yellow.
And that one is blue and green.
Parrots are very intelligent birds.
Can they talk?
Some parrots can copy human words.
That is amazing.
What is their natural habitat?
Parrots live in tropical rainforests. This is our learning corner.
Oh, I like this place.
Look, there are pictures of every animal we saw.
The giraffe lives in the savannah.
The elephant lives near rivers and wetlands.
The lion also lives on the grasslands.
And the crocodile lives in rivers and swamps.
The parrot lives in the rainforest.
Very good. You learned a lot today.
It was easy because we saw them all.
Seeing the animals helps us remember.
That is the best way to learn.
That was an amazing day.
I agree. I loved every moment.
My favorite was the flamingos.
Mine was the giraffe. It was so tall.
I learned so many new animals today.
And I learned where they all live.
The habitats were very interesting.
Savannah, river, rainforest, wetlands.
Each animal has its own special home.
Just like us.
Goodbye, Emma and Mark. Come back soon.
We will. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Green Valley. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.